Okay, I didn't see you there. I'm just working on charge outs tonight. I'll be going live, but cleaning up a couple things. I'm trying to clean up.
Well, good. You can start with all the stuff that's inside the house.
It's in the house so that I have room in the shop.
Well, right. Okay, so here, this is from Chris Wilcox. So take that.
Ooh, I'll show you this in a minute.
This one's from Wise.
Garage door cam.
And the 75K giveaway.
Oh, another 75K.
Got some weird egg things. I don't know who those are for.
These are for the girlfriend.
We got something from Packable.
Woo! Packable.
We got another something from Wise.
Oh, that's because I'm fat.
We got something from Kaizen.
Oh, new drill bit for the whole saw. Thank you.
Another something for the girlfriend. Jeez Louise. She has more stuff than I do.
The girlfriend wanted a bird feeder.
And last but not least, we have Gator Magnets. Woo. All right.
All right. So here, actually, I will show you this. Let's open it the fun way. Right. Belt's in there. So Gator decided that they wanted to contribute to the giveaway. So we got the wall hook and one of the baskets. So we'll do the basket for the grand prize, and we'll do the wall hook for the second place. Thank you, Gator. And make sure you guys are following. Oh, you're over here too. Make sure you guys are following because this goes in the 75K. And tonight I'll probably be live on Instagram and TikTok to build some charge outs. Woo!